Hey everyone, welcome back. Is DealSeek stock or not showing in the App Store? Since every DealSeek updates bring bug fixes and a new deal sources, staying current matters. Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for DealSeek in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the circle is frozen, tap and hold the DealSeek icon on your home screen. Then tap Pause Download, then tap it again and tap Resume Download to restart it. If it keeps failing, go to your settings, then go to General, go to iPhone storage and confirm that you have at least 1 GB free. Updates fail silently on those storage. Free up space by offloading unused apps. Then retry. Also, go ahead and try to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data before retrying it. So all you gotta do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, DealSeek updates, and that's it. Subscribe.